Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I am gonna
what's happening?
By the way, to all of you making fun of me for the way I say channel, fuck you and fuck you and fucking fuck you. Anyways, today I'm going to be reviewing the Nike Air Force One Sage Low women's shoe in the size 10. Hello? This is my 100th loss, y'all. Anyways, I got this for $100. I got this on the 9th and it came on the 15th. Took 6 days to get to me. I'm not even mad about that at all.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bag, gals. This bag, gals.
Shut up!
So it came in this humongous box, like for no reason. Yeah, we're about to see my ID. When you open this, you're gonna see this, you know, bright, shiny box. Like, just look at that. Don't that look like $100? This should be my thumbnail. Okay. And then in this box, you will find your shoes. This is what the box looks like. Let me go ahead and show y'all what a Nike box looks like. All right, let me stop. Like I said, it came in this black box. And once you open it, you know, you're gonna find the shoes. Oh my gosh. Let me move closer so y'all can see it. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of course. I'm also gonna be trying this on sale. Let's see. Y'all, this is hot. This is so fucking hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Come on now. Alright guys, so I am currently holding the left leg and this is what it looks like. Y'all, like, come on. This is so fucking hot, y'all. Like, sheesh. Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Look at this. This is called Igovino. Let me stop. Also, this is my first shoe review. If y'all like it, let me know. And I will make more videos like this. This is what they both look like together. And I haven't worn them, I know. I've been so pressed to wear them though, but I'm like, bro, if I wear this, then why would I fucking do a review on it? So I was like, you know what, I'll just wait.
Guys, having worn the shoe a couple of times, all I can say about it is that, you know, after wearing it for a couple of hours, it does make your feet hurt. So I wore it to the shop or something, and then I went over to a friend's place, and by the time I was back, I was already in pain, but it wasn't unbearable. In as much as I wanted to love this shoe enough to wear it every day, I would say that it's not something that you can wear every day, but let's see what happens. I'm still wearing it. Hopefully I can break it in more. And yeah, the last picture was on purpose. Go watch my last video on how I did my full locks.
Do y'all want to see this one more time? One more? Yeah, yes you do. I know you do. This is what it looks like. Top part looks like. I believe this can move, yeah. So these moves, I'm pretty sure these are a little high. So if you're someone who's short and you're looking for, you know, something to boost your height, I would recommend that you go for this. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try this Bad Girls on so you guys can see what it looks like. Guys, this pretty much concludes this video. If you're thinking about getting these, if you have them in your carts or your wish list, go ahead and check out because you're absolutely gonna love these shoes. Also, if this is your first time watching me, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Let me know what you would like to see next. Let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos of me, and I'll try to make it happen. And please subscribe. Did I mention subscribe? Also please give up this video. Also please give this video. Also please give. I'm hungry. Oh, this talking makes me hungry. For the map walk, well, I'm walking in that walk. Stop.